What's good, everyone? Just making some GrandDaddy burgers, you know, doing my little thing in the crib. My son gone for the next few days, so I'm really just doing me. Everybody out there doing all right? We will title this one "Prepping for My Page." Subscribe now, looking ass. Oh shit! But yeah, man. So jumping off tomorrow, man, we will be doing our process of making my own soap, my own laundry soap, and my own locking jam or gel cream, whatever the fuck you want to call it. You know. I'll even show you everything on the table. Let me clear off a few things. And we have, so the recipe I have for my locking gel calls for 132-ounce activator. It calls for half of this for 2 ounces. It calls for 3 of these. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna melt these. And once they get to a certain heated temperature, then I'm gonna mix in half of this. After I mix in half of this, I'm gonna mix. And actually, I got a great thing for a lot of this shit, man. I'm gonna use this. Y'all will be seeing this. Shit, this the brand. Shit, this the one. Shit, I paid less than $20 at Walmart. Get you one, I promise you. If you starting to do anything like this for yourself at home, for your own peace of mind, for your family to know what's actually going in your soap, what's going into you, because I got locks, my son got locks, my girl got locks. Shit, any kid we have gonna have locks. She got a 6-year-old daughter, you know, she want locks. She decided to come, you know, partake with us. She can get locks. But I'll be doing a lot of this, man. I'll be making my own product, man. And I'll be selling it too, man. Like, that's the biggest thing for me, because I want to start a men hygiene line or men toiletry line. And mainly because, like, as a man, you know, there's certain things I want to know, you know, and that I do know as far as my hygiene. But me being the guy I am, I'm not ashamed to go and act to a woman's facility. Oh, shit. I'm not afraid to go into, y'all meet Nike. Hey, come here. He think I'm finna fill these bowls up because he smelled these GrandDaddy burgers. This nigga done had 5 cups of food. He done lost his fucking mind. He ain't getting shit. Go on, get back in there. Get back in there. Go on. Go on. Go on. Nigga, you on lockdown again. But yeah, I mean, I'll let y'all see these GrandDaddy burgers, man. This was a pound of meat. You know, and what I did was I just seasoned. Now I'll even show you what all I use to season. Let me wash my hands, you know. I don't touch or do nothing without washing my hands before I go back to my food, man. It's funny because my hands, I'm gonna see if I can't come up with something to moisturize my hands as well. But I use a lot of, I wash my hands a lot. I'm very OCD about a lot of shit. But what I put in my burger, just a quick, Tony's, of course. Garlic, I love this. This is my shit. I use this to grease my pan. And that. That's what GrandDaddy burgers consist of. The ratio, figure it the fuck out. I ain't telling you. But, you know, it's GrandDaddy burgers, man, you know. Shit, got hungry. Didn't feel like going to spend no cash. So, and what I did was, I'll even show you, I got them to the color I want. Because, I mean, I love mine caramelized like this. So I got them to the color I want first. And once I got them to the color I wanted, at this point, I just turned it down so it can cook on low. I'm finna put my lid back on. Here my lid right here. As y'all can tell, I had the lid on there. I'm finna put my lid back on and just let it cook a little more. Cause you don't want a raw ass burger. And them pretty big ass burgers, I'll even show you what meat I use just to give you a little heads up on that as well. I use this here. And I guess I'm gonna put this bad boy on that joint too, that avocado, you know. Of course, you know, great value French fries, nigga. Shit, look at my shit. This all my son's shit. This all his breakfast shit. Shit, real talk. Make sure that boy breakfast is the, cause I mean, I can cook and do all that stuff, but I make sure he get that breakfast in, man. But yeah, so that's what that is, you know, shit, that I'm gonna do that. You know, that's a project, and I will be filming it. So that's coming up. And to move some of these boxes. Oh yeah, y'all see that? Yeah, y'all see that? I'll be making my own cannabis soap. I got my own cannabis oil. I'm gonna have different types of soap as well. I have different molds for the soap. Gotta have that for the temperature. This is gonna be like the regular mold. Then of course, you know, like I said, with the hemp soap, I'm gonna have those. Or cannabis soap, I'm gonna have those. And you know, for those that have a sense of humor like me, we'll have the emoji bars. Who's gonna be the first one to buy my poop head soap? And then, you know, we have, this is a, I forgot what to call this shit. But anyway, that's because I'm gonna put a loaf in there, make a loaf of soap, and then you cut it with this little cutter right here. Come with a bench cutter. And you know, I got my shea butter, got my oil, palm oil. I got my my olive oil. I got my coconut oil. I'll even have a bar that's gonna be, I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet. It's gonna be Moonlight or Stardust, but it's gonna be a nighttime bar. And you know, it'll have a bunch of nighttime fragrances. It'll also have a few other things in it, you know, that, you know, will help you, you'll use it before bed. Shit, before you want to rest. Shit, you come in, want to take a nap. Shit, get it in. But yeah, and like I say, man, I'll be selling all this stuff too. Oh, the laundry soap. I didn't even show you the laundry soap. We got the laundry soap coming as well. And I have to pick up a couple of more ingredients, but it's gonna be this, these two, with that. And the whole purpose of doing this stuff, man, is, for one, man, I wanna see the money difference. I wanna see if there's a big money difference. And also, I wanna know what's, you know, your skin is your biggest organism on your body. And the way you treat your skin, you know, is the way the inside your body is repeated as well. You have a lot of these people who are vegans and doing all this healthy shit, you know, but, you know, the stuff that's on their skin, you know, clothing, deodorant. Oh, I got a deodorant recipe too coming soon. But just all these things are just not as healthy for our bodies. And like I say, as far as with me being a man, I want to know the different, I want to know how to create, period. And I'll even admit, man, I seen the Dove commercial, and I seen the one where they had the black lady take off the white lady, whatever. And that commercial really didn't bother me. I seen it even before the big stunt about it. For me, it really wasn't about that. But I will say what it did do was bring me to an awareness that I'm like, shit, when you think about it, who is representing us when it comes to, even shit as small as soap. And everybody needs some kind of soap, man. Everybody use some kind of soap. And with me and my son having very sensitive skin, like we can't use a bunch of perfumey soaps. We have to use like Dove unscented, and that's what we use. I've tried using other different types of Dove. I've even tried using different other things, and our skin always broke out. So it was, one thing, to make some money, shit. Because I'm tired of working for somebody, and if I can wind up making my own soap, and everyone has always asked me, man, why do you smell good? Why is this? Why is that? So if I can start making my own fragrances and stuff and my own soaps and, I don't know if I go to the cologne, I may go like natural oils or something like that. But to be able to make my own stuff, man, makes me a little more prouder as a black man to know, what's going on my body, not just in it. So, I will be back tomorrow, y'all, and we will begin with the begin. And for those that want to keep up, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share, Again, it's something that I'm doing for my son, with my son, and, to teach him that he doesn't necessarily have to work and put up with the same stuff that I have to put up with corporate America. So, in liking and subscribing, you will be supporting a black man as far as doing his own thing and raising his son to be the same way. So, thank you very much, and y'all have a good night. See you tomorrow.